we're back. More
in March.
food reviews. We found some Butterbeer treats, some Butterbeer Kisses, and Butterbeer Goldfish. I have hopes for them. And he's never tried black licorice jelly beans. So that is added.
According to Codename Kids Next Door, black licorice is disgusting.
Was ein horrible nightmare.
Depends on the kind.
Let's start with the kisses.
Okay. Oh, they smell good.
Ooh. Ooh, it's a little strong in my opinion, like the smell. But it's not a bad smell, it's just a strong.
It says cheers. Oh, there's different colors.
Oh, there's
Wait,
different.
wait, wait. I'll just drink. That's good.
Okay. I see you. I see you, Butterbeer Kisses.
Usually they do I love butterscotch, but I don't like butterscotch chips. Not really butterscotch candy. Like it's like buttery. This is good.
Next up is the Goldfish Harry Potter Butterbeer chips.
Chips.
They're not called chips. Goldfish chips.
Crackers.
Or do they open? The packaging looks like it's specifically open.
It's just whatever.
It's a little like sugary. It's like a
Not
sugary
even
smell.
compared to that.
No. As everyone knows, graham crackers come in different flavors depending on which shape you get. It's actually pretty fire. I like that. You don't like that?
I don't hate it, but I don't think it tastes like butterscotch.
I actually quite like that. It's really good.
It tastes like a graham cracker.
It tastes like slightly sweet. Like a honey kind of dip.
Like a graham cracker.
Is all graham crackers covered in
there's
honey?
a lot of, yes, a majority are honey graham crackers.
I knew that. You go first. I want to see you do this.
I'm waiting to open them.
Is it fantastic? Is it? You got two. You ate.
I like them. Wrong.
No, I'm gonna try again.
You hate it that much? That's so good.
I got it.
Oh.
I picked it up.
That's good.
This ain't it, cheap.
This is it.
Yep. Stop covering you.